I'm scared, so I just slid it over. Uh-oh.
Your point has been obtained.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing at all yet.
Major pressure.
Whip gang, what's good? It's your boy B Ferris with another video. I've been chilling for a minute. I got a big announcement coming real soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, but big announcement coming real soon. But anyway, today, look, I made a little investment for the channel, so I got a drone finally. So today we're about to set the drone up. I'm gonna try to get a little footage of the C8, and you know, I'm just gonna play with it for a little bit and see how it works, set it up, everything like that. So it's official, got a drone, man, and now we're finna start getting drone footage of these cars, these events. So let's get it, baby. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. Yeah, everything plugged up, so it's fully charged now. So nice backpack. We're gonna see what to do. First time ever playing with a drone, so bear with me, man, because I hope I'm gonna tear this thing up. I already got the app downloaded on my phone, so I got to do all that setup, I think. So I'm gonna plug that in, and I'm gonna turn the app on to get that plugged up and make sure that it works correctly, make sure that everything is registered. So I'm gonna do that right now when I get it turned on, I think. All right, so the sad news, I'm about to get another holder because my phone does not fit in here. But I think it's ready to go. I got it in beginner mode, so I don't know what I gotta click. Let me see. I don't want it in the picture mode, I want it in video mode. All right, so I think I got it in video, yep. So it's in video mode now, and I'm just here record. So it is recording, and let me find the, yep, beginner mode set. Click this button. So it said it's ready to take off. So let's slide it over, see what it's gonna do. I'm scared, so I just slid it over. Uh-oh.
Your point has been obtained.
What's up now? I wish it would. All right, let's do some flying. Let's do some flying. We learning. Yeah, for first time flying it. Yep. I don't know what I'm doing at all yet.
Oh, you ain't got the monitor?
Yeah, it's on my phone. It's on my phone, dog. It's too big to connect to real. That's pretty neat. Yeah, see, it's showing it on here. Yeah, see, it's supposed to connect to here, but it's... Hey, we gonna learn this thing, man. We gonna learn how to do it, I'm telling y'all. But that's the video footage right now. Hey, the first flight, man, the first flight went great. I just got it back landed. Landed on my own. I didn't have to do the emergency land and nothing like that. But anyway, I'm gonna try to find where this hover mode or follow me mode is. And I'm gonna take the Corvette down the street and see if it's gonna follow behind me. So hopefully it goes as planned. I still got 50% left on here. They said the flight time is about from 20 to 30 minutes, probably depending on how you're using it, the wind and everything like that. I recorded the video, it was 11 minutes long, so with it still being 50%, sounds about right in that range. So I'm gonna pull the Lexus out, I'm gonna pull the Vet out, then I'm gonna put it in that follow me mode or whatever and see, you know, how that actually works. And if it's gonna follow me down the street or not. So we'll see. Hope I don't lose it on my first day having it. Yeah, let's get it, man. Hey, it's gonna be some fun stuff, I'm telling y'all. All right, I got the Lexus out the way. That thing just went crazy on me. I was watching a YouTube video and that joke just took off and flipped over right here in the grass. So I gotta see what's going on with that. But look, let's go ahead and get a cold start on this Vet, because it hasn't been started in 2 or 3 days, I think, because it's been raining. So get this cold start going real quick. Love hearing that sound, I love it. But so I was kind of scared now, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the air, and I'm gonna just try to get it to just stay in one spot, like maybe right here, so I can put out of the garage. And we're gonna see what it does. I think all the battery and everything's still good. It's about 50% left, so I'm going to get that up now, back in the air, and then we're gonna see how it looks and if it stays where it should. So let's try it. So I got it right there, just pointing towards the garage. Like I said, y'all will be able to see this better once I get the mount and everything like that. But all right, so you can see the phone a little better now. That's how it looks. The wind is blowing pretty good. I'm scared to sit this down. I don't want it to take off. Y'all might better see it up there. Gotta pull my phone back out. I got so much going on. Alright, well guys, I got a little footage. Like I said, this is my very first time flying with it, so believe me, this footage will get better. But I just wanted to see how it would look on the big screen, you know, stuff like that. Wanted y'all to see how it looked. But I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be a whole lot I'm doing with it. So I got it landed from the car, so I was able to land it because on my phone it was saying, it was like, hey, you better return to the home area. I don't know if I got too far away from it, going too fast and wasn't controlling it or what, but when I learned how to do that follow me mode, hey, it's gonna be on and popping, man. But look, it's a quick video letting y'all know I'm investing in the channel. Officially got a drone now, so it's about to turn up. And don't miss that big announcement on the next video. Real big announcement, man. Y'all gonna be shocked, real shocked, you know, but let's get it, man. Prince_Whips 870 officially got a drone. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna get real, man. But I appreciate everybody that be showing love, still watching videos, everything like that. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna give y'all content. Y'all ask for content, I'm gonna give y'all content. But hey, let's get it, baby.